This is my surprise for our 6-month anniversary. Candles. Yeah, I'm gonna light those up later. More candles over there. That's the poster. This is my present for him. Very big. Take out the cake. Show him my cake. Come here. Show him. That's my cake for Jason. Yeah. Well, let's go over here. And later I'm gonna play some music. His favorite song. So yeah, I'm just waiting for him. I'm gonna go light candles now. Bye.